Hello, I'm Sofia Wong, commercial manager in Sunshine Export, one of the main mango exporters in Peru. The company was founded by my parents, Fernando and Antonia Wong, 25 years ago. My father started farming mangoes in Piura in 1992. In 2000, he started experiencing the conversion to the organic production. With a good experience, he started a program conversion with small growers in the area, conforming 22 associations of small growers that now they are converted to the organic production. We are working together with them. They are 250 growers